Baby?
What's up now? This one he does the play keyboard, know what to do.
Wetin man go do? Since was it September, I never see no man come my shop. Everybody wey dey come, he dey carry cap. He dey carry cap.
Jesus Christ, what's happened now?
I don't know.
You supposed to go church, so you say this one need body. This one.
Upon the pastor, the time when me I open the show, I no call pastor. Pastor dey here. Him for divine ministry pastor was there. Apostolic mandatory pastor was there. Even gospel was there. So that is it.
They pray for this place.
They pray. But upon all these things, nothing come out. I dey here dey bow. Na me dey bow myself. You don't see as money no dey again to go back outside. I dey plan it.
Now, when as work no day today, as today is less busy now. Let's find one hotel now. Launch ourselves.
Hotel.
Child,
I hope so you don't go collect money.
Leave all this thing where we say customer they come. Leave it. As far as the time we open here, carry pastor, then come here, come pray, do everything at least now.
This pastor, wait. This pastor thing we dey hear. No be something wey we say na yesterday wey pastor come. We don reach about till September wey last year September.
You know, sir, I never see you well. You don't reach this extent, you go plait your hair.
Based on customer no dey na. Customer dey come back when they come plait my hair so that I go look fine. Wetin man go do? So baby, as you talk, make we go hotel. Which hotel? 32 room.
Nah, hotel 32 room. Let's go to one now. 32 room. You see me as bed. How for you?
I trust you, baby.
Nah.
Now you sweet for bed fast before we go one kiss.
That one no be problem now. I'm gonna keep your mouth well.
Thank you very much.